Intro hook. Ever wondered how to transfer your hard-earned funds from your Newton account to your bank? It's a common question, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Building context. Newton is a popular investment platform that offers a variety of financial instruments. Whether you've made a profit, want to diversify your investments, or need cash for other purposes, knowing how to withdraw from Newton to your bank is essential. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Newton account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Newton website. Enter your login credentials, username and password, and click Log In. Navigate to the withdrawal page. Once logged in, look for the Withdraw or Funds section. This is typically located in the top navigation bar or on the main dashboard. Click on the Withdraw option. Select your bank. You'll be presented with a list of supported banks. Choose the bank that is linked to your desired bank account. If your bank isn't listed, you may need to contact Newton's customer support for assistance. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount you want to withdraw from your Newton account. Ensure that the amount is within the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits set by Newton. Confirm bank account details. Double-check the bank account details associated with your selected bank. This includes your account number, bank code, and any other required information. If you need to update your bank account details, you may be able to do so within the withdrawal process or by contacting Newton's customer support. Review and submit. Carefully review the withdrawal information you've provided. Once you're satisfied, click the Submit or Confirm Withdrawal button. Security verification. Newton may require you to complete a security verification step, such as entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. This is to ensure the safety of your funds and prevent unauthorized withdrawals. Processing time. After submitting your withdrawal request, Newton will process it. The processing time may vary depending on factors such as the time of day, bank processing times, and any additional security checks. You will typically receive a notification or email once your withdrawal has been initiated. Check your bank account. Once your withdrawal is processed, the funds will be transferred to your linked bank account. Check your bank account statement to confirm that the funds have been credited. Additional tips. Minimum and maximum withdrawal limits. Be aware of the minimum and maximum withdrawal amounts allowed by Newton. Fees. Some platforms may charge fees for withdrawals. Check Newton's fee structure to avoid any unexpected charges. Processing times. Understand the typical processing time for withdrawals and plan accordingly. Security. Prioritize the security of your Newton account by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious of phishing attempts. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact Newton's customer support. Conclusion. Withdrawing from Newton to your bank is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can safely and efficiently transfer your funds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.